Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to upload a PDF to Claude.ai, summarize or analyze instantly. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to quickly digest large amounts of information without getting bogged down in details. Imagine you have a lengthy report or an important document that you need to understand swiftly. Instead of spending hours reading through it, you can upload the PDF to Claude.ai and get an instant summary or analysis. This tool is incredibly beneficial for anyone looking to extract key insights or analyze documents efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, grab your favorite web browser and navigate to the Claude.ai homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account details. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Logging in gives you full access to all the features Claude offers. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface. Right in the center, there's a chat input box. This is the hub of all your interactions with Claude, where you can type in your questions or requests. Now, turn your attention to the plus icon located close to this input box. Clicking on this icon reveals a menu with multiple options. From these, choose Add Files or Photos. This feature is your gateway to uploading various file types, including the PDFs you want Claude to process. A file browser window will pop up, displaying the files and folders on your device. Take a moment to navigate through your directories and locate the PDF document you wish to upload. Once you've found it, click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button. This action uploads your PDF directly into the chat, and you'll see it appear as an attachment in the conversation thread. With your PDF successfully uploaded, it's time to instruct Claude on what to do next. Click inside the chat input box and type your request. For instance, you might say, "Can you analyze this PDF file?" This prompts Claude to start processing your document. If you need specific details extracted or a particular section summarized, feel free to provide more detailed instructions. After crafting your request, you have two ways to send it. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send button next to the input box. Both actions will submit your request and kickstart the analysis process. Depending on the size and complexity of your document, it might take a few moments for Claude to complete the analysis. So, take a deep breath and let the AI work its magic. Once Claude finishes processing, it will display the results directly in the chat. Carefully go through the response to ensure it meets your needs. If you have further questions or need clarification on any points, don't hesitate to ask directly in the chat. Claude is there to assist you, so make the most of its capabilities. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload and analyze a PDF using Claude.ai. This straightforward process can save you a significant amount of time and effort, allowing you to focus on what's truly important. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to upload a PDF to Claude.ai, summarize or analyze instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.